I'm Dave. You're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. I have got the perfect recipe for today, and it is chicken noodle soup.
Yum, 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 yum.
There's a little hack at the end, and there's a little hack near the beginning, but this is gonna be the perfect recipe that's gonna take your chicken noodle soup just to that next level. I'm actually gonna show you two different ways to kind of alter it, brighten it, just make it a little bit nicer. So stick around for that. Another reason it's perfect, it just turned February up here in New England and it is snowing. So when I'm done, I'm gonna make myself a nice bowl. I'm gonna park myself in front of the TV. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos, and it's gonna be a great afternoon. So let's get into our ingredients. So here we go. These are all the ingredients you're gonna need. We got our chicken stock and our egg noodles. We have our rotisserie chicken, one of the hacks. We got our mirepoix, onion, carrot, celery. We got some butter to start things off, bay leaves, garlic, and then we have our thyme, oregano, salt, and pepper. It's just that simple. See this right here? That's our key to one of our hacks at the end. So stick around for that. So now that we have our ingredients, let me show you how to do it. Okay, we've got everything prepped up, ready to go. We got our mirepoix diced up, chicken diced up, egg noodles cooked off, everything portioned up, and we're ready to go. First thing we're gonna do, you could use oil for this, but for this, something about it, I just like to use butter. So we put a little 3 knobs of butter in there. So over medium heat, we're gonna drop in onions, carrots, celery. Now we want to simmer these for about 3 to 5 minutes because we really just want to, we don't want to soften them up too much. We just want to kind of take the edge off, the rawness. So because they're also going to be simmering in the stock, so we don't want to overcook them now and then continue to cook them in the broth. So just give me a couple minutes to get these cooked off just a little bit. So it's been about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more. I'm comfortable with how soft the mirepoix is looking. Now it's time for garlic. This is our
What did you say?
This is our aromatics: salt, pepper, oregano, thyme. We're gonna sprinkle those in, and we're just gonna move these around a little bit. We don't really want to cook these. We just want it to coat our onions, carrots, and celery, and that's gonna drive out the aromatics. I can already smell them coming off. You just want to do this 30 seconds, something like that. You just want to activate those flavors. Whoop. And once that's all set, chicken stock going in. Obviously, you can make your own chicken stock. You can use bouillon. This is just such a great product, and I wanted to keep this one nice and easy, so we're just going right in. This is 8 cups. BTW.
JK, LOL.
Nice. I'm gonna stir this. We're gonna drop in a couple of bay leaves. We're gonna bring this back up to a simmer. So before we put in our chicken and our noodles, which is pretty much gonna wrap this up, we're gonna let this simmer for 25, 30 minutes. We really want it to have time to just bring all these flavors together. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna let this simmer. Do me a favor, while we're waiting for this, like, subscribe, comment, please, let me know what you think. So yeah, give me, I don't know, give me a second. Okay, our soup's been simmering 25, 30 minutes, and just to look at it, you can really tell the flavors have really started to come together, and we're ready to add our chicken. Rotisserie chicken, I just kind of diced it up. All of the ingredients and everything are going to be down below in the description. Don't you worry about that. Chicken going in. Egg noodles. I like a wide egg noodle for this. Cook this off according to the package ahead of time, and it's good to go. I'm going to put our noodles right in here. What happened to our heat? Now this is already cooked through. We don't need to develop any more flavors. It's already been done. So all we're really gonna do is put in our noodles, just check it out, see if it looks like to our liking. Yeah, pretty good. I'm gonna add a few more noodles in here. I did cook these noodles off, and then I just kind of toss them in a little bit of olive oil just to try to keep them from sticking. Got a bunch of sticky noodles in there. Clumps of noodles, you don't want that. Whoop. Missed a piece of chicken. Get in the pool, would you? Oh yeah. Huh? Check it out. That is looking good. Now, I promised you a little thing at the end that you could do, and here it comes. Lemon juice. Oh, now, chicken noodle soup, it's already really good. It's delicious. It's almost the perfect soup. But you want to give it a little bit of brightness, a little bit of kick to it. I'm just going to take a little lemon juice. You could use a fresh lemon if you wanted. I don't have any at the time. Lemon juice. That's it. Just a little squirt. That citrus is just gonna, it's gonna pop. It's gonna be crazy good. This is good to go. I'm gonna scoop some of this into a bowl, and I promised you another nice little twist to this, didn't I? So here's what we're gonna do. Let me grab, we're gonna pull this off the heat. Some of our chicken noodle soup right into another bowl. You could do this with the whole batch if you wanted. I just wanted you to see, oh, you know what? See this bay leaf? You don't want to leave those in there. You don't want to be the one with the bay leaf in your bowl. I've seemed to have lost track of the other one, so I'm going to find that as it comes out. Take your bay leaves out, everybody. I'm going to put some of this delicious chicken noodle soup in a separate pan. Some nice broth in there. All right, you ready for this? I hope you're ready. I'm gonna give this a little bit of heat. Very nice. Heavy cream. Not a lot. In a pan like this. Now you let this simmer just a couple minutes, just to really drive the creaminess. Not really thicken it, but kind of like, geez, I don't really know how to describe it. It might just change the viscosity a little bit, and it'll bring it to almost like a cream of chicken, but so much better. So I'm gonna let this simmer for a second. I'm gonna put both of these in a bowl, and then we're gonna taste them. My favorite part. So sit tight. Okay, we made it to my favorite part. We're gonna taste these. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like my soups super, super hot. I don't know. I tried to let this cool down a little bit, but it still seems piping hot. But you know what? It's my job. I gotta taste it. Wow. Ooh, it's hot. Besides the fact that it's scorching hot, you can really catch the brightness of that lemon juice. So try it at the end. Just put a little bit in there. The flavors have all developed together. The soup's delicious. This one's a banger. It's a game changer. You're gonna have to make it. The one with the cream, same thing. Whew. Trying to get a little bit of everything on the spoon. Oh, the steam is just billowing off. It's gonna be a problem. Woo! Ooh, another hot one. Wow. The flavors, though, are delicious. Go make this recipe. Like, subscribe. I got biscotti in the oven, so I have to go pull that out, finish shooting that episode. I don't know which one's coming out first, but keep an eye out for it. But if you're looking for a delicious chicken noodle soup on a cold, snowy day, or a hot summer day, if it's hot and summery, add a little bit more lemon juice. Just bang up that brightness even more. It'll be like a summertime soup. So check it out. I got other videos And I got a video that YouTube is probably gonna tell you that you should watch because you probably should. And yeah, once you're done liking, subscribing, and watching another one of my videos, go cook something.